Welcome to CurioKids. Have you ever wondered what's out there in the vastness of the universe? The universe is a vast ocean of stars, planets, and galaxies, each with its own secrets and wonders. For millennia, humans have looked up at the sky, asking questions about the mysteries of space. Space is filled with stars and planets, but it also holds mysteries, phenomena that we don't fully understand yet. Among these mysteries are celestial objects that defy our comprehension. One of the most astonishing is the black hole. What is a black hole? It's a region of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. These objects form when massive stars collapse under their own weight. Imagine a place so dark and powerful that nothing can escape from it, not even light. Black holes are invisible to the naked eye, but we can detect them by their effects on surrounding objects. It's a black hole, a place where gravity is incredibly strong. They can warp space and time around them, creating strange and fascinating phenomena. It's like a gigantic vacuum cleaner in space. Anything that gets too close is sucked in and cannot escape. Black holes can even swallow entire stars. Black holes are mysterious and fascinating. They challenge our understanding of physics and push us to explore further. They teach us a lot about the power of gravity and the secrets of the universe. By studying black holes, we hope to discover new laws of physics and better understand the nature of our cosmos. How do black holes form? Black holes are among the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. Imagine a star much larger than our Sun. These massive stars are called supergiant stars. When these giant stars run out of fuel, they collapse under their own weight. This process is called gravitational collapse. This collapse creates a black hole, a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Even light cannot escape this intense gravitational force. Since no light can escape from them, black holes are invisible. We can only detect them by observing the effects they have on their surroundings. We cannot see them directly. However, we can see how they influence the stars and gas around them. But don't worry, black holes are very far from Earth. They are usually located at the center of galaxies, far from our solar system. They pose no danger to us. Earth is safe, and we can continue to explore these cosmic wonders without fear. What would happen if you got too close to a black hole? You'd be stretched like spaghetti. This is called spaghettification. Time would also slow down for you, compared to someone on Earth. Black holes are like immense cosmic whirlpools. They pull everything around them, but they also play an important role in the universe. At the heart of the galaxy, did you know there's a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy? This black hole, known as Sagittarius A, is millions of times more massive than our Sun. It exerts such a powerful gravitational force that it influences everything around it. These giant black holes are like the anchors of galaxies. They hold everything together. Without them, galaxies might not have the same structure or stability. Scientists believe that black holes help galaxies form and evolve. By observing these phenomena, they hope to understand how galaxies develop and change over time. By studying black holes, we learn more about the universe and its secrets. Each discovery brings us a little closer to understanding cosmic mysteries. Black holes may seem strange, but they are an integral part of our universe. Their study continues to reveal fascinating aspects of physics and astronomy. Look up at the sky. Black holes remain a mystery in many ways. Scientists are working hard to learn more about them. Next time you look up at the night sky, think about these incredible objects. Black holes remind us that the universe is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered. So, keep exploring and asking questions. Subscribe to CurioKids for more educational content.